Before deciding on the Dell Alienware gaming monitor, make sure to stay until the end, as we'll review some unexpected drawbacks that could impact your purchase decision. The Alienware gaming monitor features a sleek, futuristic design, highlighted by its black finish and subtle RGB lighting on the back. The 1800R curvature of its 34-inch ultra-wide screen provides an immersive viewing experience. With extensive ergonomic adjustments, you can customize the monitor to your comfort. But how does its design compare to other premium monitors on the market? For the latest details, check out the Amazon link in the description below. Thanks to the QD OLED technology, the Alienware gaming monitor delivers stunning colors and deep blacks, making dark gaming scenes exceptionally immersive. Its 165Hz refresh rate and ultra-fast 0.5 millisecond response time ensure smooth motion with no blurring, making it ideal for fast-paced gaming. With HDR brightness reaching up to 1000 nits, HDR content looks stunning, offering a truly immersive experience. But how does this monitor compare to other high-end gaming monitors? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss future reviews. So what are the strengths and weaknesses of the Alienware gaming monitor? First, let's look at the cons. Potential risk of burn-in with static images, slightly raised black levels in bright rooms, no HDMI 2.1 support, and limited brightness for very bright environments. Now the pros: perfect blacks in dark rooms, low input lag, near instant response time at all refresh rates, supports all major VRR formats, and vibrant and accurate color reproduction. The Dell Alienware gaming monitor delivers an incredible visual experience, thanks to QD OLED technology and lightning-fast response times. However, buyers should consider the risk of burn-in and the lack of HDMI 2.1 support before making a decision. For the best deals, check out the Amazon link in the video description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments.